Happy KO. Hello everyone. It's been a little while since we've made a video, but well, no it hasn't, because we put a song out. So I hope you enjoyed the song we put out. I'll leave a link right here for you to click on. So just right where my finger is, go ahead and click that. That's assuming I remembered to put the link in the video when I edit this. So I'd like to review a product today that Happy KO has been using for the past couple years, and it's this thing. Right here, this big black surge protector. This is a very fancy surge protector that these four outlets are powered by the battery, so it has a battery in it. That's why it's so huge. These four are just regular surge protector, and so are these USB outlets, but these four are charged by the battery inside of this thing. Why would you want a surge protector that has a battery in it? It's so that if the power goes out and you're doing something on Pro Tools or video editing or something, maybe you're typing up a paper for school and you haven't saved your work, the power goes out, heaven forbid, you've lost all that unsaved work. But with this thing, because it holds a charge constantly, it's constantly recharging the battery, and then you're running it through that, the battery will kick on when the power goes out, and you'll have another hour or so to save your work and switch off your computer safely. Okay? Does that make sense? A couple times when the power went out, when I was on the computer, all the lights went off. It also beeps. When the power goes out, it beeps. So it lets you know that the power's out and you need to turn off your stuff. I have my computer running in that, my monitors, and my keyboard maybe. Just to be extra safe, I might be doing a recording from the Nord or from a microphone or something like that, and the power goes out, I can still finish my take. Let's say I'm having a good take, I can still finish that, save it, shut off the computer, no harm done. Okay. I don't know the name of this thing, it's just, you can get any of them. This one's called CyberPower 650 volts. I got mine at Lowe's. I recommend this special type of surge protector for anyone doing anything important on a computer. Because it's kind of expensive. So if you just use your computer to, I don't know, watch Happy KO YouTube videos, for example, this thing isn't for you, which is ironic because if you're the type of person...
Hey Laurence, I have burgers.
Oh, Drew has burgers.
Here you go, Laurence, here's a burger. There's extra fries.
Thank you, Drew. Where's this burger from?
I made it myself.
Made it himself. As I was saying, it's ironic that I'm making this video because the people who should be watching this video are people that do important work on their computers, so they don't watch YouTube videos, especially not Happy KO YouTube videos. So they're missing out on the information that could benefit them. And the people who are watching this video don't actually need this product because they're wasting their time watching Happy KO YouTube videos. So everybody loses, which is a really sad thought. And I'm sorry to bring the mood down with this video. It's not my intention. I'm here to spread joy in the world, and all I've done is bring you down. Well, Happy KO anyways, everyone.